Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Today's deals are looking pretty sweet. I've got my eyes on a killer sale that just slashed the Apple Watch Series 10 down to its lowest price ever. And I should know, because I own one myself. I mean, who doesn't love an Apple Watch? But this is a game changer, folks. Now, I'm not saying I paid full price for mine, but let's just say it was worth every penny. Or so I thought. Anyway, if you're in the market for a new smartwatch, now's your chance to get one at an unbeatable price. And trust me, this is not just any Apple Watch, we've got more on that later. But first, let's talk about some of these other amazing deals that are making waves today. Take the Vitamix 5200 blender, for example. This thing is a beast when it comes to blending smoothies and cooking up a storm in the kitchen. And right now, you can get your hands on one for just $349. That's right, folks, under $300 for this powerhouse of a blender. And if that's not enough, we've also got some fantastic deals on Sony Headphones, including some amazing earbuds and over-ear cans. Whether you're a music lover or just someone who wants to stay connected all day long, these deals are definitely worth checking out. But what really caught my eye was this crazy cheap cabinet lighting deal under cabinet motion, lighting for just $17.99. That's like stealing. And let me tell you, this stuff is top-notch. It's perfect for adding some ambience to your kitchen or dining area without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do these deals come together? Well, it turns out that our friends at WatchWire News have got you covered. They've put their finger on the pulse of the best deals around, and we're sharing them all with you right here. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to shopping for the latest gadgets and gizmos, make sure to sign up for our exclusive daily deals list, sent every morning. Trust me, you won't regret it. With WatchWire News, you can find the best deals on everything from smartphones to smart home devices. We've got you covered. That's all for today, folks. If you're looking for some amazing deals to spice up your shopping game, be sure to tune in next time for more updates from WatchWire News.